Hello students, let us try to solve quadratic equation in today's video of decision statements. Before I proceed with the solution, let us know about quadratic equation. Basically, quadratic equation comprise of generally three terms. One is comprised of x square, second is x, and third is constant. The equation with power 2 basically is known as quadratic equation with one variable. Suppose I write 2 x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. This equation is quadratic equation. In this equation, the coefficient of x square is 2 and coefficient of x is 3 and constant is minus 7. Basically, three contents are required. Coefficient of x square is known as a. Coefficient of x is known as b. Coefficient or constant, you can say, constant is known as c. Before proceeding with the solution, we have to calculate discriminant. The formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. After calculating discriminant, you have to check if discriminant greater than 0, then roots of the equation are real and unequal. Second is if discriminant equal to 0, then roots of the equation are real and equal. If discriminant less than 0, roots are imaginary. These are the three conditions we have to apply while we proceed with the programming. After the calculation of discriminant, you have to check these three conditions. After that, the calculation of roots. Let the roots are R1 and R2. These are the two roots. For the calculation of R1, we can write minus b plus square root of discriminant. Then you have to divide this value by 2a. For R2, you have to write negative sign here. All the contents remain as it is. Basically, these are the conditions you have to apply inside your program. Why I am writing all the contents here? You need not to write these contents in the examination hall, but you should know about the contents, then what to do if you have to solve the quadratic equation in C language. Now let us start with the program, and I will apply these contents one by one inside the program. First of all, header files. First is stdio.h and second is conium.h. Third header file required in this program is math.h, because when I have to apply square root, then I have to use math.h void main. Then start a main function, float a, b, c. These are the three values you have to enter: the coefficient of x here, coefficient of x, and constant. After that, discriminant, you have to calculate the value of discriminant, then R1 and R2. These values are basically required. From user end, enter coefficient of xk. In first step, you have to enter the coefficient of xk, then scanf, percentage f, ampersand a. That's the coefficient of xk. Similarly, you can enter coefficient of x and constant. Coefficient of xk, then coefficient of x, you can change here, b, then enter constant, enter the value of constant. It's the third value, you can write here c. These are the three entries required in the first step. Then the calculation of discriminant, b square minus 4 ac. After the calculation of discriminant, you have to apply three conditions which are written above. If discriminant less than 0, then printf roots are imaginary, then second statement, else if discriminant greater than 0, then you can calculate the values if discriminant greater than 0, and you can write also here printf roots are real and unequal, then R1 is equal to minus b plus square root discriminant, then divided by 2a. As the formula I have already explained, minus b plus square root discriminant divided by 2a. Or you can copy and paste here. Simply you have to change R1 into R2. You can write negative sign here. Now print roots of the equation are printf first root percentage point to f, then r1, you can write here new line. One more thing you can do, you can print the value of discriminant also percentage point 2f, then DISC. You can print the value of discriminant also before executing the if else statement or decision statement. And roots are imaginary. If discriminant less than 0, roots are imaginary. If discriminant greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Minus b plus square root discriminant divided by 2a, then r2, then the printing of roots of equation are first root. Then you can write here second root, control C, control V, second root, you can write here R2, and the last is else. The last one is when discriminant equal to 0. Printf, only one condition is pending. Roots are real and equal. You can apply this condition here. Then R1 is equal to R2 as the roots are equal, and the formula is minus b divided by 2a. Now again print these contents, control C, control V. These contents are required. Let us check again the program. This was the statement: coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b, constant c. Then you have to calculate the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Then three conditions are there. Then calculation of r1 and r2 and printing of the material. Entry of three variables ABC and the formula for discriminant. Then printing of a discriminant. If discriminant less than 0, roots are imaginary. If greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Then apply the formula. And third condition is if discriminant is 0, then only the formula is minus b divided by 2a. Then printing of r1 and r2 is there. Let us save the program first of all. Then execute. Percentage f scanf. What is the problem here? Percent b percentage f scanf printf, enter the coefficient of x. Okay, b is required here. Now it's okay. Execute the program. R1 is equal to R2 minus b divided by 2a. You can write in two lines. Control C and control V. You can write R2. Let us execute again. R1 and R2 minus b divided by 2a. What is the problem here? R1 and R2. Let's check at the top. R1 and R2 are there. Let's write again. R1 is equal to minus B divided by 2A, then R2 is equal to minus B divided by 2A. Then save the program and execute. Problem is there. Okay, semicolon is required here. Now execute the program. Enter the coefficient of x here. Suppose I write 2, 3 and 1. Discriminant is equal to 1 and roots are real and unequal. Roots of the equation are, you can write insert new line here, and then roots are minus 2 and minus 4. Now what to do? You can write new line here so that you can separate the content. Let us execute again. It's 1, minus 5 and 6. Discriminant is 1, roots are real and unequal. Roots of the equation are first root 3 and second root 2. Hope you understand the content of applying decision statement for the calculation of quadratic equation. Basically, it's similar to one project or simple project for the starting or startup students. Thanks for watching my video.